Today, I'm going to show you how I built this modern, super sleek headboard for my younger sister. In this video, I want to show you how I brought her decorative vision to life by building this modern marvel. Every great build starts at your local home store. Make sure the boards you pick are as straight as possible. You want to avoid any warped or damaged lumber. I spent just under $100 on materials. I'll have a list of those materials as well as the tools I used below. I thought I could get away with making my cuts on the ground, but the yard was really uneven. This caused uneven pressure down on the blade, causing the wood to pinch. My solution was to move to the elevated flat table surface, which I should have just started from. Here, I'm cutting the 2x4s to create the structural frame of the headboard. I had to strip one of the boards because of a floor radiator that runs right behind the head of the bed. I cut out a notch in the two sideboards that are to sit over this radiator. I used the skill saw to create the cutout, then cleaned it up with a jig saw. Once I had all the pieces for the frame cut to size, I began assembling it, simply using pocket hole joinery to piece each end together. To connect the second layer to the structure, I used pocket holes on the sides of the boards. I used select pine to create the border and trim effect on the front face of the headboard. I cut two small spacer blocks in order to get the 1x6 outer pieces at consistent distances from the edge. When I had the two outer pieces screwed in, I cut the 1x4 pieces to length to create the horizontal slat effect. I used cutoffs from these boards to create spacer blocks to ensure equal distance between each board. I used 3 construction screws per board, went down the middle to screw each board in place, then hit the sides, using those spacer blocks on each one. If you haven't already, be sure to follow me on Instagram. It's where I post all my project updates as well as pictures of my final products. Have you seen my website yet? No? Recently launched tallguydiy.com is a one-stop shop for all my projects, all the tools I use, and where you can find out a little bit more about the builder behind the blade. That's me, Mike. The top of the headboard needed a frame to create a ledge or a shelf for picture frames and other decor. I used 1x2 boards and cut miters on each end. When I screwed these in, I realized the miters weren't perfect, but nothing some sawdust and wood glue couldn't hide. Big shout out to my sister Mary Fran. She helped me film this entire video. She also is the one who designed the idea for this headboard, so the original idea was all her. Check out her creator page on Instagram at Stories of Style, where she provides awesome clothing and outfit inspirations, as well as incredible fashion photography. Thanks, Murph. Now the physical build is complete, I had to use some all-purpose wood filler to plug up the holes created by the screws. I sanded the entire headboard starting with 80 grit and working my way up to 220 grit. Then my sister helped me stain. We used colonial maple interior wood stain made by Varathane. I let the stain dry overnight. The next day I applied multiple coats of polyurethane to seal it. And we were done. I love how this headboard turned out, especially being my first attempt at bigger bedroom furniture. My sister was very happy with the final product too. It was just what she was envisioning for her room. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. Let me know what you thought of this build in the comment section below. Until next time, I'm Mike on Tall Guy DIY.